How to buy Phoenix Token, PHB. Beginner's Guide. Next Generation Enterprise Blockchain enabling agile and scalable consumer apps. Phoenix Global is built for the enterprise, with the consumer in mind. Rapidly develop and deploy decentralized consumer apps built to scale, and fit within the existing customer experience. Proprietary Oracle built-in connectivity to the real world. Connect your dApps to external systems and data sources easily and efficiently with a proprietary integration middleware. Enterprise Sidechains. Optimize scalability by separating enterprise-level workstreams from main network. Scale your own application ecosystems in multiple sidechains. Twofold consensus mechanism designed for a combination of performance and agility in deploying consumer dApps. Easily transfer assets between the main network DPoS and side networks POS. Multi-layered smart contracts increase the scalability, flexibility, and ease of deployment of smart contracts and dApps via a multi-layered smart contract system, allowing certain components to be stored off-chain. Data Transaction Engine. Built-in data transaction protocols to Phoenix Global Virtual Machine designed to increase B2C trust and increase consumer data ownership and security, as well as decentralized encrypted data storage. Quick guide. How to buy PHB. Get some Bitcoin to exchange for this cryptocurrency. Register for an account with an exchange like Binance. Enable two-factor authentication. Click on Funds, and select Deposits. Select Deposit Coin. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. Transfer BTC into your account. Click Exchange, and select Basic. Search for the pair you want to trade. Select a limit, market or stop limit order. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review transaction details. Confirm your purchase. Where to buy PHB. Comparing exchanges can help you find the right fit for your needs. We've looked at more than 20 exchanges, and you can sort our comparison table by deposit method, fiat currency support and crypto support. You can find PHB tokens on the following crypto in the video description.